All right, it is a new day and another day to work on the old GX470. So we're gonna focus on getting this thing put back together and reinstalled. I ran to the Hobo Freight store to grab me an old vacuum pump to test the vacuum and a new inch-pound wrench because the one from AutoZone sucks. Anyway, yeah, and then hopefully I can get the new engine in today too. So shoot for the stars, land on the moon. We're gonna try and get the HVAC box reinstalled, vacuum tested, and install the engine. And sanitize all the parts. Yeah, shooting for the stars, landing on the moon. Let's see what happens today. So the HVAC box is, reinstalled. I did a vacuum test on it, did great, no leaks. So I'm gonna start putting this dash bar here, or the dash support bar back up, and I'm gonna start hooking everything back up, all the electrical connections, remount the steering wheel and connect that. And then that way I can reinstall the dash. I did not submerge that, by the way. I just, cleaned it, surface cleaned it. Hey, Pickles. Anyway, everything else that I've cleaned is drying right now. And so this next step is gonna keep me busy for a while. Okay, so I finally have the dash support bar bolted back in with all of the wires hooked back up. There's a lot of stuff. We got like that little box down there, the engine computer, this guy. Oh, hi Pickles. Just scared the crap out of me. Got all these hooked back up as well. Steering column, all that stuff. I thought it was gonna be like a pain in the neck getting the fuse box all hooked back up, but it was not hard. It only took a couple minutes. So now that's all good inside, I'm actually gonna install the engine right now, which is really exciting. And I'm gonna, oh, hey Pickles. Oh, big yawn. Yep. Yeah. I'm gonna install the engine right now and then see what happens when I turn the key. I'm not gonna try and start it. I just want to see if it'll turn over. But yeah, that'll probably be the last thing I do tonight. So I have some sad news. I was doing a time-lapse video for the engine install and the camera died like right when I clicked record and I didn't notice. And I literally just finished like installing it. I just need to clip in the harness. That'll take just a couple minutes. But all of the bell housing bolts are torqued minus the top two there next to the starter. But yeah, they're all torqued, torque converter bolts, all good. I've been routing like all of the wires that kind of hug the block with those retainer clips, been hooking all those up. And also the oil filter housing is installed. I'm gonna try and go to bed. I haven't slept in like 3 days. I'm out of sleepy pills. But who knows, maybe freaking I don't need pills to sleep because I haven't slept in a couple days. But anyways, I'm gonna do that real quick. Yeah, it's a bummer that that video didn't record, but it went in pretty good.